Hi guys, I hope you are fine. Me too, I'm fine. So let's look at these questions, guys. So we start with the question number 1. Given the series log x plus log x cubed plus that, determine the eighth term, the sum of the first 5 terms. First of all, we have the answers there. So I go direct to question number 1. That is Roman 1. So now guys, the question reads, the question I have read it, I go ahead now and solve the problem. So, the eighth term, we first of all write the equation that is used to find the eighth term. That equation is A R n minus 1. So we get the eighth term. The first term here is log x, like that. And then we have the R. And before we go to that, guys, let's note that this one you can also write it as log x, and then you can also write this as 3 log x, and this other one you can write it as 9 log x. And so guys, if we divide that and that, our common ratio is going to be 3. So our common ratio here is 3. Now this is log x, then we multiply by 3 here, and then we are talking of 8 terms, so this is going to be 7. So guys, our 8th term is going to be 3 raised to 7 multiplied by log x. So this one will give us log x. Using the, can write here 3 raised to 7 like that. So this one eventually, guys, using the laws of indices of logarithm, will be equal to log x raised to 3 raised to 7, like that. So that is how we do that problem. You can evaluate that, but still even that is okay. So guys, we go now to Roman 2. Find the sum of the first 5 terms. For the sum, we use this equation A Rn minus 1 all over R minus 1. So this one will be equal now to A, which is log x, and then R is 3 raised to n, which we know that now it is 5, minus 1 all over, that is 5 minus 1, not 5 but 3 minus 1, this gives us 2. So this, guys, is going to be, you can first of all write this 3 raised to 5, you can find out from the calculator. That is 3 raised to 5 equals to 243. So this one will come to 243. Here we have 243 minus 1 is 242 all over 2 gives us 121, like that. Can write now log x like that. So finally, guys, this is going to be log x raised to 121 according to the laws of logarithm. And you can see it is right there, guys, this one and that. So guys, that one is okay. and then we also have this one and this other, which is also okay. Guys, we now go to the second question. That's number 2. Roman 1. A series is given. Determine the sixth term of the series in third form. So we still use the same equation. AR n minus 1 is equals to, for A, it's the first number, which is 1. And then R is going to be, you divide this root 3 all over 1 is root 3. Because this is a GP. And we established that it's a GP because if you come to 3, you have square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3 divided by square root of 3 will be square root of 3. So that shows us it's a GP. So now we come here and say our R is square root of 3 and we require to find the 6th term. So that is 5 there. So this one will give us, we are told we write it in third form. So this one is going to be 1. You can write square root of 3 multiply by square root of 3 multiply by square root of 3 again 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So finally this one is going to be, now this is 3, you have 3 here. So this is going to be 9 root 3. So this is our 6th term. So let's go to Roman 2 now. As we finish, sum of the first 10 terms. So this one we use this equation A, Rn minus 1 all over R minus 1. So this one will give us A, which is 1. Then R, we know is root 3. Then we have 10 here, because they are first 10 terms, minus 1 all over root 3 minus 1. So this one gives us, this is going to be 1, then 243 minus 1 is 242. Like that. Then you divide by root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 will give us 0.732. 0.732. And if we do that, guys, we will get, I use a calculator, that is 242 divided by 0.732 is equals to, so guys, we get that is 330.6. That is 330.6. So guys, if we check our answers, you can see one of them is this, that is 9 square root of 3, and the other one is 330.6 as we have found out here. So this one is okay, and also this is okay. So guys, thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.